everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix Safari could not install the profile due to an unknown error. So guys, if you're also facing this problem here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that, first of all, open settings in your device. So guys, open settings. And from here you have to simply scroll it below and tap on general, and from here you have to simply scroll it below all the way and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply scroll it below and open your Safari browser from here. So guys, here it is, and from here scroll it below all the way. And from here you have to simply clear history and website data of your device. So guys, simply clear the website data from your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply reset all settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is still there, then you have to simply force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will definitely be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.